Good afternoon, friends. Sorry, I'm delayed. Uh, I am delayed. So uh, we have to talk on, say, our UCO Bank as well as Canara Bank interview. So whatever may be the bank for which you are attending interview, the basic questions like say, um, these questions are common. For example, tell me about yourself. Whether they sometimes they ask, tell me about yourself. This question is a routine thing. Tell me about yourself. They can ask you or they may not ask you. Sometimes I also do that. I do ask people to tell about themselves. Then when you are asked to tell about yourselves, you can tell about your degree, the college where you studied, the percentage of mark. If you have scored good marks, you can tell about that. Then thereafter your plus 2 and 10th class where you studied, you can mention about that. You can mention about that. And then you can also tell about your native place and say the experience, if any, you have had. What supposing you are appearing for a high court interview, then you may be having interview experience as a say typist or a clerk with an advocate already. Supposing you have that experience, you can tell the details of experience also. Details of experience also you can tell. But invariably, in the case of bank interviews, many times we find this is the first employment for many people, and in which case, say, you may have to tell them or justify the time gap. The time gap may be there, and the time gap has to be justified by you. Nor if it is 2 or 3 years, it is fine. But where it is more number of years, say 5 years, 6 years, and all that, you may have to justify the reason therefore. Then whenever, yeah, that is one. Then be ready for the questions relating to your hobbies also. You must be ready for questions relating to your hobbies. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? You must be able to um, tell about that also. Mm, Live session on interview in Zoom. Yeah. Now what is the meeting number? Yeah. I will give the password also. If somebody wants to join, they can join. Yeah. Yeah. So exactly. Yeah. Very good. So you be prepared for questions relating to your hobbies also. Hobbies like say, you can even say cooking is your hobby. You can say newspaper reading, gardening as your hobby. You can tell anything that you want. There is nothing wrong about it. And I think you must be familiar with the questions. Like, for example, um, I have posted some in many of my videos, most common interview questions, most common, most common, most common interview questions I would have posted in many of our my videos. So if you get an access for that, you can go through them and try to find out what are the answers you can give for that. I am just trying to collect the questions. Therefore, I think it is there here in 2020 December. It must be there in this most common. Yeah, it must be there. Let me tell you what are those questions. All of you must have heard about my telling you about this many times. Still, let me tell you. For example, uh, the questions, it can be like this. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why you are interested in working for our organization? This type of question can be raised. Yeah, what are your strengths? What are your strengths? If they ask, here again, I have given you in my yesbank.in, yesbank.in, achievement motivation, dot achievement motivation. Here, I have given you what are all the qualities we can say. It is not necessary you have to tell all the, say, 25 qualities that are given here. Possibly, in my view, you can say that you are a quick learner. You are a quick learner. Then you can also say that I am a creative person. You can mention about that. I am a creative person. And you can also mention, I am a hard-working person. I work hard. I am a hard-working person. Whatever work is given to me, I will not stop it immediately, but I will try to make it achieved. I will try to get it completed. Then you can also say that you have self-confidence and you are success-oriented, you are competitive, and you are having positive attitude. You are having positive attitude. You can also tell about this, that you have a positive attitude, and you also consider time is important. Time is important. Time is important means time management. You are good in time management. Now, mostly you can say, I plan my things. Whatever I have to do, I plan my things and allocate time for them so that I am able to achieve the targets within the time allotted. And I avoid time wasters. Like say, time wasters can be like say indecision, then say postponing things and not taking ownership and doing the problems. Likewise, I avoid time wasters like talking over phone for a long time. These things I avoid so that my time management skills are good. Then I like challenge. Then you can also say, whatever I do it intensively. I possess leadership quality. I possess leadership quality. Yeah, you can mention about that. Thereafter, say you can also say, yeah, I always believe there is always a better way to do. I want to improve my performance whenever I participate in any activity. So you have to tell, but it is not necessary you have to tell everything. At least 4 or 5 points you can tell about them. Okay. Then coming to the questions, most common questions. Where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? This question is asked, where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? This question is asked about, are you interested in continuing the same organization? And will you be leaving the organization after a few years? So you must tell, I would like to continue here and I see myself as senior manager or chief manager, like that. Then if you have been working in some company and you are coming to this interview, then you can tell why. They can ask you, why do you want to leave your current company? When you tell about this question, why do you leave your current company? Do not tell negative points. Do not tell any negative points about the present company. Then why was there a gap? Why was there a gap in your service? This question also, I was telling you about the gap in service. They can ask you about this. Why was there a gap in your employment between, supposing you were working somewhere, you have resigned and you have been preparing for some other examination, you could not join, then why there is a gap? Or sometimes it may be you would have worked for 2 years, then taken break for about a year. They can ask, tell them frankly what is the situation. Then what can you offer us that someone else cannot? What can you offer us that someone cannot? You must be able to tell. Here only again your highlights of say your strengths have to be told. Then next question can be, what are the three things your former manager would like you to improve on? This is nothing but say some of the weaknesses in us which we have to overcome. So be careful in telling answers for this. Are you willing? This question is invariably asked. Are you willing to relocate, especially in banks? And then, are you willing to travel, especially post COVID? Then, tell me about an accomplishment you are most proud of. What is the accomplishment about which you are most proud of? Tell me about a time you made a mistake. I mean, many of us may not like to accept our mistakes, so we may not be able to find any explanation for this, but still try to tell something minor. What is your dream job? How did you hear about this position? How did you hear about, say, employment vacancy for this position? Obviously, through net and other sources, you can tell about that. Yeah. Yeah, next question can be like this, that it comes like this. Yeah. What would you look to accomplish in the first 30 or 60 days? This very rarely. I have not heard somebody being asked this question. But still, what you want to achieve in the first few days? This question is asked to find out, are you clear about, are you having idea about your job role? Only a person who has a job role can answer this question. Then discuss your resume. This I think they ask in, say, um, our some organizations like what is that? SEBI. They do ask about discuss your resume, discuss your educational background, describe yourself. When you describe, you must describe yourself positively. Tell me how you handled a difficult situation. Tell me how you handled a difficult situation. Then why should we hire you? These questions are overlapping. Many of these questions get overlapped. For example, the answer may be the same. Why should we hire you? What are the plus points in you? And what makes you think you are suitable for this position? For all these questions, the answer is more or less same. Then would you work on holidays and weekends? Would you work on holidays and weekends? They can ask you. Then how would you deal with an angry or irate customer? You can always say, with an angry customer, if he comes, I will offer him seat and or listen to him completely, and if possible, offer water or some drinks, so that say tea or coffee, and then I will try to um, make him come out with all his problems, so that if some solution can be there, I will try to adopt and do it. Okay. Then next question can be like this. I have already posted in many of my videos. Yeah. What are your salary requirements? This question doesn't arise in the case of bank interviews because they have standard scale. Give a time when you went above and beyond the requirements for a project. This is again, this question is another form of What are your achievements? What are the most important things that you would like to tell us? Who are our competitors? This question may not come in the case of banks, possibly in the case of other companies, say marketing companies, they may ask. Then what was your biggest failure? What was your biggest failure? Then what motivates you? What is your availability? Whether you can join at short notice. Who is your mentor? Who is your role model? Tell me about a time when you disagreed with your boss. Tell me about a time when you disagreed with your boss. How do you handle pressure? What is the name of our CEO? This comes in the case of banks and also in the case of companies. What are your career goals? What is your career goal? I would like to see myself as chief manager or senior manager like that. Then what gets you up in morning? A desire to achieve things makes me get up in the morning. What would your direct report say about you? That means your immediate boss, what will he tell? What would he tell about you? You can always say, my immediate boss will tell me I am a person who is taking care of the time properly and one who gets things done then and there, and I will not postpone the person, I will not postpone things, and I understand things quickly. The same thing that we told earlier, you can tell. Then what were your boss's strengths and weaknesses? They can ask you, supposing you have worked in some company earlier, they can ask you, what are your strengths? What are your strengths? They can ask you, say, you have been working in some company and all earlier. Tell me what are the um, strengths and weaknesses of your boss. Kindly don't tell more of the weakness of your boss. Tell slightly about strengths only. If I called your boss right now and asked him or her, what is an area that you could improve on, what would you say? This is again a trap question. Here, they try to find out about your weakness. Are you a leader or a follower? You can say for positions like say bank positions, you can say, I am both a leader and also a follower. I have the ability to suggest people, take care of them. At the same time, I will listen to my boss and perform my task. What was the last book you have read for fun? Then what are your co-worker pet peeves? What are the, say, co-workers, how they make fun of you? What are your hobbies? What is your favorite website? What makes you uncomfortable? This also is a trap question. You must be careful. You should not land yourself into issues. You tell what makes you uncomfortable is possibly whenever I am not able to achieve the target within the time allotted, sometimes I get worked up and I am feeling uncomfortable. What are some of your leadership experiences? Then how would you fire someone when this question may not arise in the case of banks. What would you like to what do you like the most and least about working in this industry? This question also is not normally asked in banks. It's only in say marketing or other IT and other areas they can ask it. Would you work 40 plus hours a week? Obviously the answer is yes. What questions have I not asked you? What questions do you have for me? So this sort of questions can be asked for you. So whenever you go or appearing for the interview, so you understand the job role for which you have applied. Some people have applied for, say, system administrator, so many posts. One day I was going through the Canara Bank list. So many posts are there. So what is the job role in that one? So be clear about that and prepare for questions based on that job role. And number one, you have to be prepared to answer questions relating to your degree. Of course, when you appear for a civil engineering interview, they will ask questions relating to, that's not a problem. The problem is when you appear for a probationary officer interview, how do you manage that? When they can ask you about your present, say, civil engineering questions also. So prepare for questions relating to your degree and also your job role, and also prepare based on current affairs, latest happenings, more especially about your native place, about your native state, and also generally country as a whole. What are the points that can be highlighted? Be ready for such questions. Very good. So these are some of the points I thought I should tell you. So I'm just no. I thought somebody will come here to ask questions. Probably the message has not reached people in time, so nobody has come. Doesn't matter. Now, in case you want to take a mock interview, please remit rupees 100 to Google Pay or Phone Pay in the number that is given 900303757, and then send an email to me, samba.s7@gmail.com. If you can attach your CV, that will be fine. You must give your phone number also. Please give your phone number also. So this is what I would like to tell you. It's already 3:30. The time I've already given, mentioned in the say link I have provided in our WhatsApp as well as in our Telegram. So let me close this with this, and with a request that in case some of you are desirous of having mock interview, you can call me. You can remit money, then call me. Thank you so much. Best wishes.